Hey guys, T with Arizona Riders Club, checking out some of these historic, classic supercars. Jaguar XJS, we have a Pantera. Nice ride. Pantera right next to it as well. BMW. Let me just swing back real quick, take another look. There you go. What do we have back here? More Panteras? Ferrari. That's a nice car right there. That's a very nice car. Jeep Rubicon, way down there. Old school Land Rover. Get a little bit closer to that. Well, let's finish up with this guy. Man. 328 GTS. Another Lotus. Looks like a fun car. The Bitter. Never heard of this before. That's why I like coming out here. You see all types of vehicles. Some things you never seen before. Some things you have seen, you see over and over. You always have the mainstays, right? Your Ferraris, your Lamborghinis, your Porsches, your Jaguars. But every once in a while, you'll run into something like this. Looks like a new RS7 Audi. Okay, what do we have here? 1960 Porsche 36B Cabriolet. That's got to be worth a lot of money. Now remember guys, these guys are driving these. These are actually being driven. I don't know how I would feel about driving something like that, but 1,000 miles, but hey, you bought it. Another Chevrolet Corvette. We'll wrap this up with the Mercedes-Benz drop top. This is for you, Wonk. 560 SL convertible, Mercedes-Benz. It's a nice ride. Very nice. Uh-oh. Yeah, what do we have here? Audi R8. Oh yeah. Alright guys, Arizona Riders Club. Subscribe. Ride with us.